Let's see how you can live stream on Facebook using OBS Studio. Alright, so for that, you need to log into your Facebook account from a computer's browser. Now, after logging in, just go ahead, click on this live video option. Now, scroll down in here and then click on Go Live. After that, you gotta select a video source. Now, since we're not gonna use webcam, we're using OBS Studio, you gotta select Streaming Software. Now, a random key will be generated. Just carefully copy it. Now, let's open the OBS Studio app on your computer. From the dashboard, let's open Settings and then select the Stream option at the left-hand side. Now, first, you're going to click on Service and select Facebook Live from this list. And then the key you have just copied, just paste it right in this Stream key bar. Now, after that, just press Apply. Now next, what you're going to do is just tweak some settings here and there. So first, from the app dashboard, just click on this plus sign and create a scene, especially if you're streaming for the first time. And after that, in the sources section, just press on this plus sign. And then you're going to select the option, either the webcam or any external monitor or multiple monitor if you got that. Now we're going to just go ahead, select the display. After everything is set, just press on Start Streaming. Now, OBS will start streaming your screen, but you are not live yet on Facebook. For that, let's get back to Facebook. Scroll down in here. Now, from here, you can see the display quality of the streaming. And before you go actual live, you can select whether you want to post it either on your profile or to any group. You can also select your audience, whether friends or you want to just go public. And also, you can select the time if you want to go live right now or schedule it for a later time. And apart from that, you can give your live a title from this right-hand side options. And you can also put down a description if you like, especially if you're doing an educational video or a tutorial. Now, when all is set, cross your finger and just click on Go Live. And in a moment, you will start live streaming on Facebook through OBS Studio. Now, when you're done, you can just click on Edit Live. From there to End Live. And also open OBS app. And from here, just click on Stop Streaming. And this is pretty much how you can go live streaming on Facebook with your OBS Studio. Thanks for watching.